Wimbledon 2025 just delivered one of its most dramatic matches yet, and the stars were out in full force to witness it. Among them were power couple Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma, seated in the royal box during Novak Djokovic's epic round of 16 match against Alex de Minaur. The match had everything. Djokovic, a 24-time Grand Slam champion, lost the first set badly, 1-6, but then made a brilliant comeback, winning the next 3 sets 6-4, 6-4, 6-4. Virat, who is currently in London, looked completely invested. He later posted on Instagram, "What a match, it was business as usual for the gladiator at Joker Knoll." While Virat was cheering, Anushka was seen casually scrolling through her phone. Social media lit up with speculation. Some fans wondered if she was not happy or simply not interested in the match. Despite the buzz, the couple made a stylish statement. Virat wore a tailored tan blazer over a crisp white shirt and a patterned grey tie, effortlessly classy. Anushka looked radiant in a white structured blazer with soft curls, gold hoop earrings, and a woven straw hat by her side. They weren't the only famous faces. Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas, Kate Blanchett, Rebel Wilson, Sir David Beckham, all added to the glamour of Wimbledon's opening week. Also in the crowd was tennis legend Roger Federer. After the match, Djokovic paid tribute, saying, "Roger is a huge champion. Every time I play here, I think of his legacy. An unforgettable match, a star-studded audience, and a reminder of why Wimbledon remains the crown jewel of tennis." Ranbir Kapoor, one of Bollywood's finest actors, has ruled hearts for over a decade. Known for his powerful performances and low-key persona, Ranbir has always let his work do the talking. No social media, no over-the-top PR, just pure talent. Up next, he's all set to star in Nitesh Tiwari's Ramayan alongside Yash and Sai Pallavi, and fans can't wait. Ranbir will also reunite with his Animal co-star, Indira Krishnan, who had some heartwarming things to say about him. In a recent interview, Indira revealed that it was Ranbir who recommended her name for Ramayan, where she plays Kaushalya, Lord Ram's mother. She called him her favorite co-star, saying, "I've never seen a star of his stature treat people the way he does." Talking about his bond with daughter Raha, Indira shared an adorable moment. "He told me Raha is his dal chawal, the simplicity and love with which he talks about his daughter, it stayed with me." Ranbir would often ask her about her son's childhood books, wanting to get them for Raha. "Every day he would remind me, 'Ma'am, did you get the books for Raha?' And here's a story that truly shows his love as a father. I asked him what happened, and he said, 'There was a race, Indiraji. I ran for Raha, and I came first.' He pulled a muscle but still came to work like nothing happened." Ramayan is being filmed for IMAX and will release worldwide, Part 1 on Diwali 2026 and Part 2 on Diwali 2027. Ranbir was last seen in Animal and is now busy shooting Love and War with Alia Bhatt and Vicky Kaushal. From superstar to super dad, Ranbir Kapoor continues to win hearts, both on and off screen. is all smiles these days, and for good reason. The superstar is riding high on the success of his latest film Sitare Zameen Par, which has not only touched hearts but also performed well at the box office. But it's not just professional happiness for Mr. Perfectionist. On the personal front, Aamir has found love again, and it's official. On his 60th birthday in March, Aamir confirmed his relationship with Gauri Spratt and even introduced her to the media for the very first time. In a recent interview, Aamir opened up about his bond with Gauri and also talked about marriage. Aamir said, "Well, Gauri and I are really serious about each other and we are in a very committed space. And we are, we are partners. We are together. Marriage is something, in my heart, I'm already married to her. So whether we formalize it or not is something that I will decide as we go along." On his birthday, Aamir had also shared that they've been dating for 18 months and he felt it was the right time to tell the world. He revealed that Gauri is from Bengaluru and is completely away from the movie world. In fact, she's only seen 2 of his films, Lagaan and Dil Chahta Hai. Earlier on a podcast, Aamir spoke about how he found love when he least expected it. He said, "Before I met Gauri, I felt like I had aged. Who will I find at this age? Therapy really helped me understand that I needed to love myself first. I had to heal and work on my own emotional health. Gauri and I met by mistake. We connected, became friends, and love happened." From box office to matters of the heart, Aamir Khan seems to be in a truly happy place, and we couldn't be happier for him. Get ready, Bollywood fans! The much-anticipated romantic film, Saiyara, is creating a major buzz as it marks the first-ever collaboration between Yash Raj Films and ace director Mohit Suri. Both known for crafting timeless love stories, their coming together has raised expectations sky high. Adding to the excitement is the film's already viral soundtrack, which many are calling the best album of the year. With the Saiyara title track by Fahim Arslan, Barbad by Jubin Nautiyal, Tum Ho To by Vishal Mishra, Humsafar by Sachet Parampara, and Dhun by Arijit Singh and Mithun, each song has made its way to the top of music charts across India. Earlier today, the makers unveiled the official trailer, and it has left fans swooning. The film promises an intense, emotional love story brought to life by 2 promising debutants, Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda. Their chemistry and acting chops are already being widely praised. Ahan Pandey steps into the spotlight as a YRF leading man for the first time, while Aneet Padda, known for her critically acclaimed role in the hit series Big Girls Don't Cry, has been handpicked as the next big YRF heroine. The trailer has sparked an outpouring of love from fans on social media. One viewer wrote, "If this young lad becomes superstar in future, I won't be surprised." Another user said, "Can't believe Ahan ki ye first movie hai. Acting bro. Aneet can't take my eyes off her plus her acting skills." Others are mesmerized by Ahan's voice, commenting, "Ahan ki voice kitni attractive hai." And the compliments keep coming. Aneet Padda too cute, new national crush. I can't believe this is Ahan's first film. Super acting. Produced by Yash Raj Films CEO Akshay Vidhani, Saiyara is set to hit theaters worldwide on 18th July 2025. With passion, music, and fresh talent at its core, Saiyara is shaping up to be the love story of the year.